I was raised with the discipline, toughness, and the passion of a 6'4" military master horseman, and I just thought every horse person was brought up the same way. My father has been the greatest influence in my life, and I've tried to uphold his standards, his principles, and teachings. I hope that I'm able to give back to my students these precious gifts. My mission as an instructor is to instill a foundation of core understanding and skills that enable each of my riders to achieve their dreams, their desires, and goals. The building of equestrian skills, camaraderie, teamwork, positive self-esteem, and a deeper awareness and appreciation of all things equestrian is my personal wish for all of my students.